All right, looks like we've got everybody in except the mother, and she seems to be having trouble making a connection. We won't go on the record till I'm sure I've got everyone here, although we are live streaming now. So do we have a phone number for the mother? Maybe I can try to get
I'm
her.
here. Can you hear me? I'm here.
Okay, yes, I'm sorry.
Okay.
So it looks like the one I'm trying to get in is Reagan Ball. Who is that?
Oh, that's my daughter. It was under her Zoom, and then I put my name, my screen name. So I changed.
Okay. Well, that's why I assumed that was you. All
Yeah,
right. We won't worry about that one. All right. It looks like everyone is here. Mr. Ball, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Shannon, you could put us on the record now. Okay, this is the matter of the Ball miners. We have Mr. Way present on behalf of the petitioner, as well as Margaret Parks, Nicole Peters, and Amber Fader. Which of you counsel is LGAL?
I am, Your Honor, for Ivan Brown.
All right, and Ms. McCluskey, I'm assuming you represent Ms. Courtney Ball, correct?
That is correct. Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Is there anything preliminary before I start taking testimony?
Could I address?
Yes, Mr. Ball, go ahead.
So I was unable to get a lawyer, and I was hoping to get some kind of time. So obviously I'm gonna have to be my lawyer. I was hoping to get an adjournment for 2 weeks. I'm just waiting on, I've talked to JPD. I'm waiting on my police reports. I have medical reports that I'm waiting on. I have witnesses that I haven't been able to subpoena because I was unaware that I was gonna have to be my lawyer till Thursday. You have to excuse me, I'm kind of nervous. I will not waste any more of the court's time. I just need, if I could get 2 weeks to, I'm representing myself out of a vehicle, if you can see, and I just want to have a fair shot. I can't defend myself in a car. If you give me 2 weeks, I will be prepared. I will not ask for anything else. If I can't, I'm not sure, but I would, if not, I'd like to have an in-person hearing. I mean, I have a lot of, I have evidence, I have pictures, I have all these things. That's why the lawyers quit. So I would like to be able to at least have the fairest hearing possible, sir.
All right, well, Mr. Ball, frankly, I am inclined to give you a couple more weeks, but let me hear from Mr. Way and Mr. Hurlbert and Ms. McCluskey before I give a final word on that. Mr. Way?
I certainly understand Mr. Ball's position. We are prepared to proceed today. I guess I don't know what has been provided to him, if anything, from his other attorneys. Given that he's going to represent himself, he certainly is entitled to receive the discovery that everyone else has received. And I don't know that he has probably received that, but that's something that I can email him. So I intended on, really wanting to push forward with this case, but I think in fairness to Mr. Ball, if he doesn't have everything, and then it's probably only fair to give him a couple weeks.
Ms. McCluskey?
I understand that position. I have no objection to an adjournment. Thank you.
And Mr. Hurlbert?
Your Honor, I believe it's in the child's best interest to have a fair hearing, so no objection.
Shannon, how does our calendar look in 2 weeks?
We got the Lewis Eubanks Bradshaw termination trial.
I'm guessing there's a lot to that one. And that there might be I don't remember, there might be a jury demand. I'm guessing that case is probably not going to go on that day, Your Honor.
Right, well, let's go ahead and schedule this on that date. Mr. Ball, I do want to give you every opportunity to be fully prepared. And I realize it's a challenge doing it on your own without an attorney. But I'm going to grant your request. So we'll adjourn this for 2 weeks. And I'm sorry, what's that date again, Shannon?
March 2nd.
March 2nd, we'll start sharply at 1 o'clock and hopefully I'll be back at the courthouse. I suspect we'll have all the snow cleared at least by then.
Could I just have Mr. Ball give, and maybe we go off YouTube for this, but have Mr. Ball give me his email address so I can forward everything that would be considered discovery to him.
All right, let me turn off the live stream. I don't think it's necessary to be live streamed.